Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Battlenet Not Updating. To start, right-click on Start and click on Task Manager. In the console, you are going to select all the processes related to Battle.net. When selecting it, click on End Task. After this, in the search box enter, %program data %, click on File folder. In Explorer, select the Battle folders and the Blizzard folder. When you do this, click Delete. Check the box, do this for all current items, and click Continue. To complete this process, you are going to restart your system from the shutdown button by clicking Restart. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log back into Windows, open Battle.net to check that it works. You must click Yes in the window to authorize. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.